Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. So this evening I am going to be doing an unboxing for April, and the box I'm going to be doing is the Birchbox. Right, so Birchbox is actually one of the cheapest beauty boxes that we have in the UK here. It costs £10 plus £2.90 postage and packaging. It's mainly a box of 4 to 5 items. Usually the items can be quite small, but you do occasionally get the odd full-size item. The boxes are also very attractive. Look at the design of this one. Woohoo! Really good. Each month they also give you a choice of a shade or a fragrance of a product. So they normally send you an email a couple of weeks before the box is due, just to let you know, right, this is the product of the month and can you please choose your choice. I can't remember what the product was. I'm trying to think, was it a highlighter? No, I can't remember. So here we go. This is the April box for 2019. Let's go through this. Now, wait a minute. I've just noticed something different. The box is usually a pull-out drawer style, but it's not. It's oh, okay. They're going like everybody else now. So they're going with the kind of flip-top lid with the magnetic flap style, which is okay. That's all good. Oh, and it's got a little mirror on the box as well. Is that a film? Yeah, we've got a little mirror on the lid as well. Right, let's see what's inside this box this month. So we've got You're a Gem. There we go. Let's see. We've got a discount voucher of some sort. So we've got a discount voucher for 20% off something, of some jewellery from Monica Vinada, £15 off. There you go, there's that. And this is the leaflet you get inside the box that gives you all the details about the products in the box. So let's go through this quickly. So, what's inside your April Birchbox? So hello Birchboxers. April marks the start of a new season and a chance to embrace a whole lot of spring positivity. Whether you believe in the healing power of crystals or not, we love the feel-good vibes that they represent. And it doesn't hurt that they are beautiful too. So all month long we'll be reflecting the sparkle that you exude naturally. Why? Well, because you're a gem, of course. So there you go. Right, so let's go for the first thing in here. So we have, looks like an eye mask. God, look at the dazzle and the sparkle on that. Whoa! So we've got a diamond eye mask here, brighten and depuff. Okay, that's the second eye mask I've got, what says brighten and depuff. So this is from Vitamask, one of my favourite sheet mask brand, and they say this is worth £4.99. That's the recommended retail price. Whether it's a late Netflix viewed night or a tiring commute, chances are your eyes could do with some TLC. Enter this all-star blend of diamond powder, yes really, and caffeine to hydrate, brighten and depuff. Apply a good pat to each under eye, relax for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila! Okay, so that's our first item in the box, so that's worth £4.99. That's all good. Next we have this. So this is this is the product of the month, which we had a choice of. So it's Estate Cosmetics Dew Me Bait Highlighter Powder in Lit or Afterglow. So this silky smooth powder brightens and highlights skin in a single sweep, blending seamlessly and smoothly to give your cheekbones, brow bones or eyes just the right glow. Its bait technology creates a sheer light texture for delicate looking buildable radiance. Trust us. Okay, let's see. Right, the evening lighting is getting a bit dark, so you shall see how much glow we get. So I chose this one, which is the colour I went for Afterglow, and it's very pink. Didn't think it'd be that pink. Okay, there we go. So it looks like that. Blows and skirts. Woohoo! Look at that. Okay, well I'm not going anywhere this evening, so go on in. Let's. Okay, I think we've got highlighter here, folks. Damn. This is actually so bright. It's the kind of thing my niece Kayla would want on her cheeks. Don't know about me though. But actually it does blend out okay, so it's not too bad. Okay, so that's the second item. I will use it, you know I will. Then we've got this from Benefit, so it's a sample of the Benefit Professional primer. Full size of this is £26. I did actually have this, but I gave it away because it wasn't suitable for me. They've got one called Matte Rescue, which is the same thing but for matte skins, and that's the one I've got. So this is Benefit the Professional. This silky oil-free primer diffuses pores and fine lines for an airbrushed finish whilst keeping your makeup in place. It goes on sheer, leaving skin instantly even and smooth. No wonder it's the UK's #1 bestseller. Use it under makeup or dab over the top for midday touch-ups. I mean, it is actually a very good primer. It's just not for my skin because I've got very oily skin. But if you've got dry, normal combination skin, you're fine with this. So it's a good little product. I'm not going to open it because I'll probably put it in one of my boxes to give away. Okay, so that's what you got. Then we've also got this. So this is from Humankind. Full size of this is £16.45. This is Humankind Body Souffle. This lightly whipped cream makes nourishing your body feel like a luxurious task. Massage in the velvety and uber moisturizing ingredients, aloe vera and a multitude of botanical oils to leave your limbs softer than ever with a seriously healthy sheen. Okay, oh, it's a nice little packaging, isn't it? Smells nice. Smells very nice actually. Yep, and it's very moisturizing as well. Okay, that's good. Happy with that. Is that it? Is that it? Oh, there's something else in here, but where is it? Oh, here we go. Right, so we've got something from Balance Me. So this is the second box this month with the Balance Me product. So this is the Wonder Eye Cream. So the full size of this is £20. So perk up your peepers with this wonderful multitasking eye cream, using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils. It will depuff, soften, smooth and brighten. Simply tap and blend the 99% natural cream around your eyes each day and night. Okay, so that's all good. So nice little box again. Don't forget this box is only in total £12.90 including postage and packaging. So we've got an eye cream, we've got a nice little eye sheet mask, we've got a sample of a primer. You'll get a good 2-3 uses out of that. We've got a choice of 2 highlighters, which is, this one is dazzling, so that one. We've got this body moisturizer which smells glorious, by the way. It's got a really good fragrance, and that was it. Yeah, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I'd say all good for Birchbox this month. And I like the box. Slightly different box. We've got a bit of a mirror here. I'm assuming we can peel this off because I always get mirrors wrong. But nice little box. Have you got your Birchbox yet? Let us know how you get on with it. Alright, towards the end of the month, what I always do, I always try on products from my beauty boxes. So you will see me wearing these products at some point during this month and definitely at the end of the month. Alright, but yeah, nice Birchbox this month. Right, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please don't forget to give me a like down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Come on now. All you got to do is press subscribe down below. The red will turn grey and you'll be joining the lovely family of my Sussex Sandra channel. And just to remind you, I have got a giveaway going at the moment. It's for when I reach 2,000 subscribers. So I've already added the April ASOS beauty box to that giveaway, and I will be adding more things to that giveaway. So it's for when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So all you have to do is go to that ASOS video to look at the details. But if you join my channel, subscribe to my channel during this month, and I get to 2,000, you'll be eligible to enter the giveaway. And all you've got to do is leave a comment in the video, and I'll randomly be picking out comments during the month once I've hit the 2,000. All right, take care, and I will see you soon. Cheerio, bye.